Are you tired of the monotonous, time-consuming kitchen tasks that get in the way of your culinary creativity? Say goodbye to the hassle and embrace a world of possibilities with the Kitchenaid 9-speed mixer and its exclusive accessory pack. This powerful hand mixer is equipped to mix, knead, whip, and blend all your favorite recipes, making your time in the kitchen a breeze. An exclusive accessory pack at your fingertips. What sets this Kitchenaid 9-speed mixer apart is the inclusion of an exclusive accessory pack. No more hunting for the right attachment. Everything you need is neatly organized and ready to go. The pack comprises 2 turbo beater, 2 accessories, 2 dough hooks, a pro whisk, a blending rod, and a storage bag for convenient storage and protection. Click the link below to see the full product specifications. The perfect start, soft start feature. Ever had a kitchen disaster involving ingredients splattering everywhere? The soft start feature is here to save the day. It gradually brings the beaters up to your selected speed, preventing unruly ingredients from escaping the bowl. Say hello to a cleaner kitchen. Versatile swivel cord. Meet ingredients from any angle. No more struggling with awkward angles while mixing. The lockable swivel cord allows you to position it on the left or right side of the mixer, accommodating your approach from any angle. And when it gets a little messy, the round cord is easy to wipe clean. Effortless accessory changes. Beater ejector button. Switching from one task to another is a breeze with the beater ejector button. This single-handed press of a button allows you to easily and quickly remove any accessory from the hand mixer. Say farewell to frustrating, time-consuming changes. Stainless steel turbo beater, 2 accessories. For those heavy-duty tasks in the kitchen, the stainless steel turbo beater 2 accessories are your best friends. They're not only durable and robust but also dishwasher safe. No more worrying about the aftermath of that challenging mixing. 9 speeds to rule them all. This Kitchenaid 9-speed mixer is versatile and ready to take on various kitchen tasks. Start at speed 1 for gently stirring and chunky ingredients. Move up to speed 6 for tasks like mixing bread batter and creaming butter and sugar. And then unleash the power of speed 9 for whipping up perfect meringue. Comfort meets convenience. Soft grip handle. Mixer handles should be comfortable, and this one doesn't disappoint. The soft grip handle ensures that you can comfortably mix without straining your hand, making your culinary adventures enjoyable from start to finish. In conclusion, the Kitchenaid 9-speed mixer exclusive accessory pack is your ticket to culinary freedom. No more struggling with outdated appliances and inadequate attachments. Click the link below to see the full product specifications and revolutionize your time in the kitchen. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.